to refresh.
Good afternoon. At times, time is concerned. Young Malaysians drowning in buy now, pay later debt. Good afternoon. A new financial report reveals that more than 60% of Malaysians aged 18 to 25 have used buy now, pay later services in the past year. While these services promise convenience, banks warn that late payments among young adults have doubled in just 6 months. The cause? Aggressive online sales campaigns, 24-hour shopping apps, and peer pressure to keep up with trends. Financial experts warn that if spending habits don't change, many young Malaysians could enter the workforce already in debt, struggling to save for the future. The Ministry of Youth and Sports is now debating whether buy now, pay later services should have stricter age limits, mandatory financial literacy programs, or monthly spending caps for young users. Time is concerned. Young Malaysians drowning in buy now, pay later debt. Good afternoon. A new financial report reveals that more than 60% of Malaysians aged 18 to 25 have used buy now, pay later services in the past year. While these services promise convenience, banks warn that late payments among young adults have doubled in just 6 months. The cause? Aggressive online sales campaigns, 24-hour shopping apps, and peer pressure to keep up with trends. Financial experts warn that if spending habits don't change, many young Malaysians could enter the workforce already in debt, struggling to save for the future. The Ministry of Youth and Sports is now debating whether buy now, pay later services should have stricter age limits, mandatory financial literacy programs, or monthly spending caps for young users.
Okay, sure. Let me resume the audio. This audio is about young Malaysians drowning in buy now, pay later debt. Yes. Okay, when we heard this audio, there are many causes and consequences, and we should move on to our task.
First, let me introduce ourselves.
Okay, I first.
Yes.
My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Shahri from B11, and I'm taking the course of PJ, Physical Education. And my friend?
My name is Muhammad Abrazin bin Madaud. I'm from Indo Perak, and I'm a student from IPG Campus Ipoh, and now we should take our character as a role model to what school. I want to be the CEO of Shopee, and you?
Okay, my character is I want to be the Ministry of Financial.
Okay.
Okay.
And now let me start.
Okay, start. Okay, my report says the financial state 70% of Malaysians aged 18 and 24 years old drowning in buy now, pay later debt. Usually they buy buy and don't think how they should pay their debt. So I look at the people who buy online shopping. There are many people buy in the online platform. Like you are the CEO of Shopee, right?
Yes, I'm CEO of Shopee. So, from your statistic, yeah, you say 70% of users should buy now pay later is around teenager,
Yeah.
in 18 to 25 years old. 24 years old. So, I think there's a very what people say cons. Yes, cons. In yeah, you know, start you start to pay buy now pay later around teenager. So that's how you make your money. So
I think so. I agree with you. There are many people who go to their online shopping such as Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada. There are many people who aggressive online sale campaign. They are don't think before they buy. They also do not know what they need and what they want. And I think the trend of teenagers,
yeah, people say FOMO.
yes, there are short form for fear of missing
trending.
Fear of missing out trending.
Yeah.
I don't know such as I'm not teenager anymore. I'm 14 years old.
Yeah.
They also buy ridiculous things. They don't need the things, but they buy it and don't think before buy. I also the causes of Malaysian people buy these things such as shopping, online shopping. They usually keep with their phone 24 hours. Like everywhere they go, they usually with their phone. Like TikTok, and we search, we scroll, and we can get the yellow bag. That is interesting.
Yeah, to say when they do live and people also attract to yellow bag. And what people say punch is yellow bag.
Much more buy the yellow bag, and it can show our items to they show the items, and we attract to buy. Okay. You as a CEO of Shopee, you also give the people Shopee Pay, right?
Yes.
There are no interest. When you buy and you pay short term.
Yeah, short term.
But 3 months only, right?
Yes.
If you buy want to long term, they have interest.
Yeah, the thing you buy is more expensive than the
Original price.
Yeah, the original price.
Okay, I see. And the consequences when you buy now pay later is that, in my opinion, there are many people who enter the workforce in debt, and such as when we in the future they want to do they want to social life, and they keep remember they have debt, and they cannot live easily, and they also can stress out.
Yeah, stress out. I agree with your opinion. So let's talk about cons first. So I think when I'm a CEO, I see most of students have emotional and mental stress in university life because of the buy now pay later.
They have debt, right?
Yeah. Because the pressure of mounting debt can lead to anxiety. So when a student can afford the thing they buy, so they can pay at the time the original time.
The original.
Yes. So
The date.
the
What
date
do you mean?
the date must be paid.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get it.
So when they can the interest must so when the student get emotional and mental stress, the life of student in university can be lower productivity or study.
I agree with you. I agree with you. When students use the buy now and pay later this, they also have like I said before, they usually buy what they want, not what they need. So the student like
Always follow the trend.
follow the trend. So I think many students do not know the knowledge how to buy the important things to them. They think they have a credit card.
They don't have management skill.
Yeah, and I'm also do a financial in Malaysia. I
Research.
in my research, I think the credit card belongs to bank like my bank, bank, Bank Islam, and others. They give the credit cards, and the people who get the credit cards do not know how to use it wisely. So I think that's the causes of young Malaysians drowning in buy now pay later debts. They keep thinking. They keep thinking in their mind. They can buy anything because they have the credit card with the limited access. They don't know when they buy. They know they buy, and they must buy, they must pay it later. But like I said, students and young people, they don't think that they follow the trend, and they FOMO. Yeah, that's all.
The teenager right now.
Teenager right now, they want to follow the trend, and I don't think that is the correct thing to do.
So yeah. Also that buy now pay later can also increase financial debt.
Oh,
Yeah. So young user accumulate unpaid the balance quickly, leading to long term debt that becomes difficult to settle. So when the debt is more and more higher, so they can pay.
they can afford to pay.
They can afford to pay. So so what I say before this, teenager right now, mostly student around university,
25 years old.
18 and 34, yes, get mental stress. So they can, what people say, focus in class because of they also what student right now always
Happy, enjoy.
Work like part-time work. For example, they do rider part-time, such as Grab and Foodpanda, for effort the
bill.
the bills.
Okay, I agree with you. But usually, I think in my research, right, I am Ministry of Financial. I know young people right now they certain people lazy to work, like you said.
Yeah.
Certain people
And always
hardworking. Yeah. Certain people, young people hardworking. Certain people they lazy to work. So they like I said, it's flood in debt. It's flood in debt. So they can not live easily after.
they always use parents' money,
Yeah.
so they can give their parent pressure to afford their bill, such as when their parent give them around 300 ringgit per month, and when they can afford to pay the bill, and what is, like you say, student,
Young people,
teenager, don't go to work and do part time. They always give their parents pressure to afford the bills.
Yeah, I think that's a good point right there. The parents also have work, so they keep the pressure, and it's hard for them.
Yes.
I'm also a parent. I have 4 children also.
4 children.
Yeah, that's right.
How many daughter?
One daughter only.
One daughter.
Yeah. They, I acknowledge them. They can live with their currency of financial, my family currency financial. Yeah. I teach them when they're young, like 6 years old, 7 years old. I teach them how to use the money correctly, so they can buy what they need only, not what they want. So that's a parent guide should do when we are parents.
Okay, how about we talk about full money management skill?
Oh, okay. Too many money management skill, right? Yes. Money management skill, like I said, they manage
The discovery.
yeah, when they are children,
Yeah.
they should know how to manage their money. So I think this is very important to them when they want to grow up. So okay, like we said before this, Young Malaysian groundings in buy now pay later. So I want to ask you, right? What's the steps to overcome this issue before they are what? Okay, I ask you, right? Okay, you focus. Okay. Our issue, Young Malaysian grounding in buy now pay later debt. So what steps to overcome this issue before students?
What step? So I think first of all, government agencies should introduce financial literacy programs. Yes, to teach young Malaysians how to budget when they shopping.
Okay. In addition, I want to add more. When the campaign start, we need to do at the campus or university, so they can easily get the knowledge of how to manage the money.
So they can more responsible to make a decision.
Yes. Their knowledge how to manage and how to use money, so they can pay whatever they want. Okay. I also want to ask you. You are CEO of Shopee, right?
Yeah.
Shopee. I want to give you an idea. If you want to follow, you follow. If you want to, you don't follow, you don't follow lah.
Okay, if it's good, I follow.
Okay. I think you need to stricter age limit who use your Shopee. So there are many young people who are already 15 years old. They can buy. They can use the buy now pay later. I am also curious how
Use the
understand that?
Yeah, I understand. So I don't think what I do is wrong, because some people, some teenagers around age 18 and 24, right? So other than the student at that age, they what they don't so so mostly teenager around 18 and 24 is a worker. So some people can afford to pay at the age. So we people say ukur baju di badan sendiri. So
In Malay, yeah,
in Malay. So
I agree with you.
yeah, that's from me.
Okay. I'm also I want to add more. I think you also can give your monthly spending caps for young users, so they cannot buy whatever they need they want. So I think the spending caps is important to lower the budget of debts from its economy. Are you agree with me?
Yeah, I agree with you. Okay, so we talk about cons, right?
Yes.
So let me talk about pros from Shopee Paylater, buy now pay later. So first,
What the benefit of Shopee Pay buy now pay later?
so first the benefit is there is can encourage purchasing power. So for example, when people can afford the item because of budget, so they can use the buy now pay later, right, to buy the thing they want. So when they can afford to buy to pay the short term, they can use the long term, such as they can use 12 months.
Okay, I see.
Wait.
12 months is 1 year, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 year. So if the amount of month, the more month you choose, the less the cheaper, yeah, the cheaper you pay.
The less cheaper, the less from the price.
Yeah.
I see. So there are pros and cons with buy now pay later. But if you use it wisely, it can go to the good things. And if you can't, but if you can afford it, it can make you
Pressure.
It can make pressure
Give pressure.
to us. So that's all I think.
So we talk too much.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Time limit.
yeah, I think
The time is back.
yeah.
Okay. So that's our role play as the Ministry of Financial.
And CEO of Shopee.
So that's all from me.
Yeah,
That's all from us.
the good come from him, and the worst come from us.
Okay.
That's all from me. That's all from us.
Thank you.
Apa lah? Nak rekod je mesti barang.